What's up, this is PTC channel. So I'm in the Green Hills, drinking coffee first. I'm drinking coffee before we hunting in shop spills. So I just drink coffee. Anyway, so I'm sit in the new building of Green Hills here in the new building. So we're after drinking coffee, we're gonna go to shop spills and hunting toys. Yes, I'm done to drink coffee, so I'm gonna go to shop bills. Fun. Wow, nice car. Nice car. Go there on the shops bills. Toy Kingdom is closed. Visit our new location, 3rd floor, Green Hills Mall. In the third floor. Let's go. Alright, here we are at the shops bills. On the way to shops bills. Right, where is it? Guys, ito na siya guys. Here's shop spills. Okay, here we go. That's so cute. Halloween Pop Mart. We have collectible store. And you have Hot Wheels. There's Super Mario. Super Mario guys. Guys, ang cute niya guys. Magkano ba to guys? 2,500 guys. Ang laki niya guys. Grabe. Yung Super Mario. Ayan guys. Dragon Ball statue. Yung mga addict sa Dragon Balls guys, bili kayo dito dyan sa Minicon. Ano guys, meron silang dito sa Mini GT yan at Hot Wheels na ayun, meters sa cars. At ayan guys, so yun ang Mini GT guys, so magkano 1,000 isa guys. Tapos sa third row, ayan guys, may action figure silang vintage. Ayan, Scooby-Doo, meron sila. Ayan, nakasabit na Hot Wheels, meron din sila. At yan, syempre, Toy Story. Ayan, Toy Story. Yan, si Woody, si Bo Peep, Buzz Lightyear, Slinky Pete, Rex. Ayan, si Bullseye with Woody. Si Porky, nandyan, guys. Kita ko yung si Porky, guys. Here comes Porky, guys. Ayan, Buzz Lightyear, Stop Toys, guys. Nakita ko siya, guys. Ayan, yung si Porky, 400 isa, guys. Ayan, si Duke Kaboom, yung sa Toy Story 4. Ayan guys, napanood ko na rin yun. Ayan yung guys, 400 isa guys. So, yun lang. Ayan guys, Transformers. Ayan guys, Transformers. Ayan, ito guys, si Optimus Prime, Bumblebee. Ito, hindi ko kayo dala to guys. Ayan guys, may Hot Wheels pa. May Hot Wheels pa sila guys. Ayan yung Back to the Future. Funko Pop, McDonald's. Yan na guys, Astig, Fast and the Furious. Yan guys, daming Mini GT nila guys. Fresh yung 900 at may isa 1.2. Yan guys, yan, Mother Base, sarado guys ang Mother Base Toys and Collectibles. Sayang guys, sarado. Guys, ayun guys, may anime statue tsaka Marvel sin si Iron Man guys, nakita ko. Yan guys, sarado siya. Close siya today. Kasi guys, Holy Week kasi kaya sarado guys. Tayo sa field bar. Ayan na guys, sa field bar. Saso nga lang, di na tayo papasok guys. So ayan, ang dami na nandun yung McFarlane DC Multiverse sa likod, sa may last page. Hindi na ako papasok dito sa field bar. Yes, ito guys, ang daming tao sa field bar, daming bumibili. Ayan, ito nga guys, Big Boys Toy Store. Ayan guys, si Thor, Iron Man, si Thor statue. And yung sinaunang Iron Man guys in the base of comics. Ayan si Hawk. Ay, guys, grabe. Dito na tayo papasok sa Big Boy Toy Store. Ayan guys, ayan. Ayan guys, Pop Mart. Ang cute nito guys. 6,000 naman. Oh. Ayan, ito guys, ay. Kala ko guys, Marvel Legends to, hindi pala. Ayan guys. Saan yun? Okay guys, ito guys, ito yung Go. Guys, ito yung Ghostbusters 2895. And then ayan o, Gremlins 2, the new batch, 3650 guys. Ganda guys. Guys, yeah, McFarlane DC Multiverse. Uy guys, nandito pa yung meron na ako, si Nightwing guys. Yeah, meron na tayo dito guys. Last 2 years ago ko binili to guys. Naka-display sa aming bahay. At ay walang, may Batman ba? Tingnan natin. Ito pala guys, merong Brainiac. Ganda guys. Magkano? 1495. At ito syempre yung meron natin si Green Lantern guys, John Stewart, is 1295. At Catwoman from the Batman 2022. And there you have there, ayan guys, ito pala may Batman guys. Ayan lang guys ang Batman nila. At yung Batman of Sword and Arm. Magkano guys? 1195. Ay guys, 1195 siya guys. Ang ganda guys, grabe oh. Sa likod. Ayan. Sa likod guys, ayan. Siyempre guys, yung Funko Pop nila. Ayan guys, Funko Pop. Ayan guys, alam niyo naman, graduate na ako sa Funko Pop, kaya hindi na ako nakakabili masyado ng Funko Pop guys. Graduate na tayo. Alam niyo. Ayan guys. Guys, so hanapin naman namin yung hanapin ko pala yung Hobby Corners. Guys, tingnan natin kung bukas ang Hobby Corners. Mag-check tayo ng magandang items na McFarlane DC Multiverse sa Hobby Corners. Open ba? Ayun guys, doon ang Hobby Corners. Okay, bukas. Bukas sila guys. Ayan guys, so guys, ayun, dumagasa ng daming pa rin. Si McFarlane DC Multiverse nila, meron silang ayan, Batman guys, ang dami nilang stock ng Batman. Meron silang orange suit Batman, yung isa purple suit Batman, yung isa Batman 1 million guys. Ayan, Batman, yung isa The Dark Knight. Ayan guys, tama, The Dark Knight. Ayan guys, pagka 2,050 sa 19 yung orange suit, tsaka 19 yung purple suit na Batman guys, dito sa Hobby Corners guys. Astig oh, King Kong and King Kong, Batman versus Kong. Ayan guys, dalawahan. May small Batman, tsaka big Batman, tsaka ito yung Kong. Ang ganda guys, grabe. 5'2" isa. Guys, ang napakaganda nito guys. Guys, aakit naman tayo dito para magtingin na maganda. Ayan. Guys, ganda na pinag-play dito guys. Mother base dito guys, sarado din. Close rin yung mother base. Ito rin guys, close. Yung A+ Toy Collectibles guys, sarado din. Ang dami palang close ngayon. At ayun, Play Giant guys, bukas. Tingnan natin guys yung mga kahit di na tayo pumasok. Ayan guys, yung mga anime. Guys, napakadami guys. Ang dami nilang stock ng anime guys. Alam nyo naman, hindi ako masyadong anime collectibles, kaya konti lang yun sa amin guys. One Piece, Dragon Balls, ayan, Play Giant. Ayan guys, U-Toys. Oh, Ano guys, Hot Wheels. Dami nilang Hot Wheels. Oh. Ayan guys, close din. Guys, dito, etong game, yan, dito tayo sa store, Game of Toys. Anyways, ang dami guys. Nakakulit. Ayan guys, Thanos. Vintage pa to. Alam ko guys, vintage to eh. Yan, si Kingpin. Akyat tayo. Mag-check tayo ng store. Ayan guys, so Alien guys, and Thor. Guys, pakastik na Alien na to guys. So tsaka yan, diba, sa baba guys, yan yung Marvel Legend, si Black Widow, Thor. Alright guys, ayan, collective base is closed. Is closed din ang collective base. And Toys on Express open. Play box. And it's closed. Collective is closed. See on this says close April. Blah blah blah. Thanks. Ayan guys, bukas rin yung WWE, the wrestling. Ano sa baba guys, and the wrestling. Okay guys, and the wrestling. Another wrestling. Pokemon card. Guys, bababa na tayo guys. Tingnan tayo sa RNG Toy Collectibles. Dito pa rin yung sa Green Hills guys. Ay guys, yun o, grabe oh. Si Iron Man. Ito yung Crazy Toys Iron Man, si Joker. Ang dami nila guys, grabe, ang dami Iron Man, ang daming mark number guys. Simula end ng may Avengers. Ata to guys. And ayun guys, si Captain Marvel, ito yung meron sa akin. Ayun si Spider-Man, Thor, ayun si Chris Hemsworth. And guys, so labas tayo. Sa RNG, tingnan natin kung bukas rin RNG. Oh guys, it's open. I think Collector's Quest. Okay guys, so yan RNG Toy Collectibles ends guys. Si Spider-Man, si Black Widow. Ito yung guys, di ko kilala to guys kung sino to. Ayan guys, Batman. Ayan guys, Huntress, Catwoman. Guys, Wonder Woman. Ayan guys, si Huntress, ang ganda ng actual ni Huntress na naka-statue. Guys, ang ganda o. Ayan guys, Joker fight. Batman fighting Joker. Yung guys, favorite character ko. Ayun guys, dating console. So tapos na ako mag-hunting dito sa Green Hills guys. So let's go. So punta ako ng parking. At the rooftop. Guys, sa labas namin. So yan, it's night, 6:33 PM. We're going to the rooftop. So in the rooftop. Okay, it's night. It's night now. So leave a comment and like, subscribe, and don't forget the notification guys. So bye guys.